RT just newsflash that there's an active shooter at YouTube headquarters right now. It says Tesla's Apple. Possible shooting at YouTube headquarters. Oh dear. You're for real. Holy. Ooh. This is interesting. Let's see. What the? WT. Oh, I thought you were just trolling me. Jesus Christ. I hope that if there is an active shooter, and if he is not acting in self-defense, that somebody kills him. That is... Best of luck to those involved. Jesus Christ. Active shooter at YouTube headquarters. Holy shit. Oh, man. This is why I don't read Twitter. This is why I don't read Twitter. Why am I reading Twitter? Anyway, enough of this. Alright, let's see what we get here. Let's see if this board works. That's our jumpers. I'm not really going to be happy if this board works and say, you know, I started this repair not realizing that people were getting shot at the headquarters of the website of the company that allowed me to stream this. I feel really weird right now because I'm streaming on the platform of the company that's... Yeah, I'm streaming on the platform of the company whose headquarters is getting shot up. This kind of doesn't feel right. It feels weird. I don't feel like I should be able to use their platform right now. I feel like a dick for using their platform right now, honestly. Awesomus Maximus says, does in California have really strict gun laws? Yes. So that's a fan spin. It's working, but yeah, it doesn't feel like a win, man. This doesn't feel like a win. Like, I fixed it, and I got fan spin, but people are getting... Yeah, this just doesn't feel right. Feels like a really crappy victory. It's kind of sucks. Kind of depressing. It's like I thought I was going to promote Paul Daniels' website in the stream. I was going to make it a nice thank you stream, a happy stream. Man. That sucks. Well, that's a board repair. As always, I hope you learned something.